are you doing today?
Yes, I'm very happy to be here in that amazing area. It's my first time in China. I'm very happy for that. Okay, we are waiting for the start and discover this amazing desert.
And we know, and for the past 4 stages, it's not that difficult for you guys, but this stage, today's stage, they got a nickname called the Devil Stage. It's one of the most difficult one. And based on your result score, you are 16 minutes and 35 seconds away from the second place.
Yes.
And you have 51 minutes away from the fourth one. You are in third. So do you have a special plan for today?
No. For today, the plan is make our best. I know that this stage and for tomorrow will be a very difficult stage, very soft, sandy, a lot of space. But well, I have my 700 in my back. I have a lot of power. I feel so good with the GWM Motorsport, and we see what happen in this race.
And we know your partner is also your wife. And we read a lot about your romantic stories in Dakar. And tell us about that particular moment when, after you finished the race, did you know that he will propose to you on the stage?
No, for nothing. It was in 2019.
Yeah.
Nico racing quad, and we work a lot for this Dakar, make a lot of job with the spare parts, with the quad, everything. And Nico was in your mind. I don't know nothing, and was a very special moment. Yes, because I am very happy because Nico won the Dakar this time. And well, then is history, love history for us.
Yeah.
So what's the biggest concern on the stage, the soft fan or the navigation?
It depends. I like a lot the stage with a lot of navigation. It's really good for me, for feel good, focus. But the first stage back was very hard. The desert gobi is amazing. It's so big. And today is a good challenge for us. It's the most difficult stage. But well, I always we think it's a step by step. We have 9 stages more, and we need finish today and tomorrow and the next stage. So today we focus in this stage.
So today we have, based on the road book, we have 6 navigation waypoints, right?
Yeah, I talk in the briefing. Look in the briefing. We need to take attention in some areas. These are very hard to cross. In the first part is a lot of space and very soft dune, and then after that please go to the big part of the dune, and we take our time. But okay, we push to best our best.
Thank you so much, and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Say thanks for everybody and follow the GWM Motorsport.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, Madam.
GWM. Go with more.